आधा तो मान लिए ना, तो हमारे लीडर को भी मानना पड़ेगा, कोई चारा नहीं है उनके पास. They will know that the only capable man who can lead this one nation is Modi ji. The protector only pounces on. Then where should anybody go? I would only say one thing. They should know that it is exactly one nation. They've already said one nation. Very good. They can't now divide the nation into Hindu, Muslim. They've accepted it, right? Good. Good for them that it is truly one nation. And that one nation wants one leader because the leader believes in सबका साथ. आधा तो मान लिए ना, तो हमारे लीडर को भी मानना पड़ेगा, कोई चारा नहीं है उनके पास. आधा हमारे पास आ गए लोग. Half of it they've already traveled towards us. Because this leader, so-called Modi ji, believes in one nation, now they have accepted half of it. They will know that the only capable man who can lead this one nation is Modi ji. Nobody else.
Last question, ma'am. You were very vocal about women's issues. We've seen what happened in Delhi with Swati Maliwal. What's your reaction?
That's what I also said yesterday also. The protector only pounces on. Then where should anybody go? I'm surprised कि अगर कोई बीजेपी की नेता बोलती थी ये बात, आप बोल सकते हैं अरे भाई ये क्या है, आपके ऊपर ज्यादती हो रही है, मीन्स पीपल आर टारगेटिंग आप, यू कैन से. इफ अ वुमन इन आप itself has atrocities happening on her, what is the plight of any common woman there who is non-political or is from some other political party? So people have to understand from Delhi that AAP is no safe party anymore. Now to the extent of winning, they can suppress anybody even if it is a woman of their own party.